In this video, I'll show you how to dispose a fixed asset in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, below accounting, you want to head over to the accounting tools section. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is fixed assets. Now, once you are on the fixed assets section, what you need to do is simply head over to the second tab, which is registered. Now, once you are on the registered tab, simply head over to a fixed asset in which you want to dispose. Let's say I want to dispose the photocopier, so simply click on that asset. Once you are on the exact fixed asset, head over to the top and right corner. From here, if it is a registered asset, you will automatically have the option to dispose. Now, click on the blue button to dispose. Want to do that in here, you need to add the disposal date. We will set this as the date today. On the right-hand side, you want to add your sales proceeds. So let's say this photocopier has a value of 12,000. We will just add 10,000 as the sales proceed. Now at the bottom, you can add a depreciation for this financial year. If you do that, you can add all depreciation up to and including, or you can add no depreciation. On the sales proceeds account, you want to add sales, or you can add your sales proceeds account if that is something that you want to add. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Show Summary. Once you do that, as you can see, you will have a disposal summary for this registered fixed asset. At the bottom in the right corner, you will have an option to review your journals or update the summary. On the right-hand side, if we review the journals, you will automatically see the exact journal for this disposal. On the lost on disposal, you want to select an account. We will just simply add our purchases. You can also add a specific account for the disposal as well as the sales. Once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Post. Now, once you click on Post, it will automatically dispose the fixed asset and you will no longer see it on the registered tab. However, at the top, you will see it as sold or disposed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.